Man, record. Record doing something with the plant.
Oh, this is what's going on right here. 40 inch, 12 TVs, you need a pallet, a pallet.
You know what I'm saying? And right now, if they don't bring them, I'm about to drop this shit from fucking ground.
You know, do a fucking 100 real quick.
Go from 100 to 0 real quick.
I'm gonna get the pallet for sure.
Is this the last one?
No.
Oh shit, I'm Susan.
Don't choose it with the palace.
What are you doing, Susan?
Give me the word, dog, and I'll
camera.
run it over.
I was gonna be like stupid and so
What the fuck? This is posted everywhere. You asked him, what are you doing here,
How many pallets, homie?
Pallets! John, do something funny. Jonathan, do something funny. I already said that. Jonathan, do something funny. Jonathan, do something funny.
Let me get GTA, man. GTA 5. Not 4, 5.
You hear this, nigga?
And this goes out to all the new pickers and new niggas trying to become full flip-flops, dog. You know what I'm saying? This is the spot. Felonies or not. All are accepted, all are welcome. Just right on here at Ryder and Kemco at 20-some shit, something Glow Street, nigga. Just look it up.
Well, they'll bring up your,
Don't bring up your record if you miss too many days, son.
no, they'll bring it up at the end of the year.
Yeah.
Or beginning of the new year, they'll do that. So, you know what? You got a felony charge. Yeah, so let you go, dog. Snip, snip.
What? This is
Hey, he brought up, bitch, that's a red pallet, not a blue pallet.
Hey, this is a power shift transmission.
I live with
Power shift
Give it 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Why?
Bro, 2 minutes, y'all know here. 2 minutes. Fly out top 10, 30.
Hey, that's Jonathan's lip. The block is hot, nigga. What the fuck you doing? You're gonna blow our covers.
Hey, we can't have that red one. Hey! Get that red one out of here.
The red one. And that clamping sucked. Oh shit.
The warehouse hoodie.
The warehouse hood rack. What? Why? We're engaging in daily life at the warehouse.
Paperwork.
Paperwork! How many is that?
Damn, nigga, I haven't been putting no paperwork on my pallets.
9.
The fuck? Who the fuck?
There's 2, 6.
You have it, fool.
Oh,
This nigga over here.
I'm an idiot.
Hey, check it though.
Damn, they got smoked up. Here, record.
No, nigga, I gotta drive.
Nah, nigga, I gotta try.
Travis, record. Just us bullshitting. No, but we got it on. We got on video. I already got 5 minutes into it.
Nah,
30
y'all
seconds.
gotta smash the TV. Y'all better. Ready? This nigga's not
It's 9:16.
¿Qué pasa?
Yeah. You stopped in cigarette. Plant master.
Plant master? You're the plant master?
Dude, help me. Already did.
Oh, like that one is doing? Ain't none of y'all fucking with me, bro. None of y'all.
Nigga, you a rookie on that shit.
Let me get over there.
You barely started last year. No, Anthony's at across the street.
Hey, bro. Just the safety hazard, right? Come on, bro. I smoked my weed in the car in the lake. I smoked my weed in the car in the lake. I was with the bird the next night. Hey.
Sucker.
Yo, shit, bro. Shut up. Yeah, damn it. I have to go the other way. Fucking rookies, man. I'll tell you about it.
Let me tell you something.
Hey, y'all wanna watch TV? Huh? Y'all wanna watch TV? Or play one of these bitches in the back? have a product off. You really get a big ass extension.
Blu-ray and everything.
8005, bruh. Hey, I like the way you work, man. I like the way you work. Now what the fuck you gonna do?
Bang! I ain't stupid like you, nigga.
Like you, nigga. Alright, Peter.
I called you earlier.
Yeah, like damn, who we talking to?
Me?
Yeah, Curry, nigga.
In the cut.
Cut and cut, wrap your TVs up. I don't use them. Okay, 925 on home, nigga. Hey, Jonathan, I'm proud of you, man. I'll turn it back up.
Whoa. I know you guys can just stand here for like 2-3 hours.
Oh. I'm turning it back more, man. Stop
It's on there.
It's on there. Alright, for sure. Just gotta double check. Hey, it's not easy watching you guys work. Hey, relax,
I got kush, pills, cocaine. This how you fish till I'm 40.
Nigga was hitting the fucking clip.
What? Crash?
So good, hilarious if you would have done.
Crash?
Under the way!
Got some out of
Andre!
Nigga stupid.
the way! I'm gonna be dominoes for TVs and shit.
Hilarious.
Out of the way!
That's it. Done.
Finado.
Nito.
Yeah.
Hey, Joe, you gotta get that too.
What?
You gotta get that too, like out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Hey, this nigga Javier wants me to stay over and rap paddle.
Oh, Javier. You told me that? You said, you think you could stay over to rap pallets? Or what'd you say? Rap a few pallets? I was like, a few? I don't know, man. I was like, fuck.
I dip, then I dip, then I dip.
Alright.
It's skedaddle.
Blowers and kisses, but you gotta find out.
She's stupid. That bitch stupid.